Yo. If I was Spider-Man, would you believe me? Guess what? Chill. I know, right? I want my ears pierced again. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch.
That's why I say, I want to see what the subject matter is. I mean, it's like any other that I don't care for. Oh my gosh. The wood frame in the glass on this sign adds up to a lot of weight. Plus, it was stuck on the bottom, so it's like, you're excited about getting something out because you can see it says something. Pulling it out, like this, and then go.
What's that? Scare problems.
It's a cool sign, man, but the subject matter is not that great.
Guys.
It's early sign, it's reverse paint.
Now?
But man, I can't tell you.
The more that I get used of filming videos, the better it gets in it. But have y'all saw the sorry, I'm not sure as fuck. I'm gonna go to some motion. Okay, the time with Kylie sisters go swimming with stingrays, and there's like the thumbnail.
I mean, I'm thinking like 300.
Okay.
I mean, it's just, if it was like,
I can tell Demetria
thousands, but it's advertising, it's early, and
edited it.
so can you imagine it's blasted all these years up?
Because, okay, come on, man. Demetria, have you saw her pose compared to the other girls? Like, she made those Eliana and Sunday. What they looked like underwater or like something in the water or before getting in. So like, yeah. I'm not gonna try to make this video like long because like then it takes longer to edit and upload because I'm recording off of my phone. Then instead of like a camera.
Building like this, the moisture's getting to this thing. I gotta see it. $37.50. I'm going off the thing. Just a big thing with me. You're trying to make it work. I'm trying to make it work. They're working hard at it. I close, but I feel like I know this too. I know you don't.
Go in. Yeah, different, right? What for?
You know, $3,900. I'm taking a huge chance here. I'm thinking that this engine is going to free up to one perfect. If it doesn't, I got to rebuild the whole thing.
Bro, my body is so fast here.
So much stuff.
What the fuck?
That they say.
I've never been so ashy.
Runs like a top. I guarantee it. That's why I answered it. You just scared that guy.
Me? Bear? The world. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Actually, I'm gonna put on karaoke. So I can sing. This is my phone. Swap it. I miss my cocoa bread. Ain't no competition, just competing for it. I'm not alone, baby, I'm keeping you ain't been the same. Like moving on your mind, who got your time? Who you been vibing, and I can make you mine. Text me, call me your sign. Now you treat me like my redneck dance done. And if we paint the perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want, just grab my own and swear. I am down for the words all you said. I keep you cause I'm stupid. Love songs, 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 love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. Yeah, I make you fall in love. Cause I'm for stupid love. Love songs, 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 love songs.
So if you send this to the right measurement card,
I'm set. Yes. What now?
When you're a very experienced magician, you can go to the deck, find the ace of spades every time, and people go, whoa. So how much more for you? Looking for 15.
Yeah, mine.
To tell you the truth, I have no idea. I have a buddy who's a magician, who plays that kind of stuff. You probably don't have any Jersey know about this. So, if you can hang out a little bit, I'll give you a call and
Yeah, she should. What the hell?
Yeah, I think it's time for now.
What the fuck?
So I think you're on the money at 500. That's what I could probably sell it for. You have to realize I've got to make money on this thing. When you do 250, that's just a little. I want 350. I want
Okay, I'm taking this bitch again.
300. You're gonna get a guy who
Call you damn motherfucker.
they have that for his farm.
What?
It's just that's my breaking point. I need to go to 275.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know what it'll mean. Since I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'm living every night like it's a nice life, like it's a nice life. If the world to you. Oh, nothing will always be. I don't even want to do this anymore. You wouldn't know what you mean to me. All I we're fighting for. You go back there, follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Next to you. Right next to you. Right next to you. Shit. World is ending, I wanna be next to you. The party was over and our time on earth was through. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, you. World was ending, I would be next to you.
I do not. Okay. Just take a look at it. I mean, it looks pretty rough.
That shit.
There's a lot of rust on it. How much are you going to get for it?
Okay.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Don't they go for in working condition?
It's been 13 minutes.
Look at it.
40 minutes. Bye.
See what's